Sniper trade of the day for August 18th, 2026. This is an old reliable SOXL, the triple semiconductor ETF. And the box at 1 is the high and low from Friday. These are 10-minute bars. The blue box at 2 is the last 30 minutes of Friday as a reference point. At 3, you see the yellow dot, which is the big gap down, so it's in play, so it's high priority. It's the number one symbol, like it always is on our daily target list. So we highlight the opening range 10 in the green box. We play the breakout by rule at 3. We use a standard risk box at 4, add a second position at 5. It works in our favor until 6 when the RL10 begins to reverse. So we're stalking an exit. We take a 1, 2, 3 exit at 7, and that gives us 3R in the first hour, uh, right by the numbers. Good trade. Come see how we do it. TortoiseCapital.net, owlgrouptrading.com.